So I'd like to put the countertop on the other side as well. I'm sorry, the backsplash. And so architecture, component, model in place. I'm going to still be doing casework. And I'll do an extrusion. It wants me to pick a plane, so I'm going to pick this plane, which is this wall. And I'll tab, tab, tab. It's not letting me pick that wall. So I'll show you another workaround for that. If you're having trouble picking the plane, go back to the floor plan and simply put in a reference plane. And give it a name. I'll call it backsplash. Now we'll go back to that section, and I'm going to say architecture, component, model in place. Still going to use casework, and it'll be casework 20. I'm going to do an extrusion, and now we'll go up and actually specify the plane, which we call backsplash. So I'm looking for it. Here it is, backsplash. Okay, so now the plane isn't the wall, it's the reference plane that I put in, which happens to be at the wall, and I'm going to use that as my reference. So I'm going to draw the perimeter, which will go to this line, and we'll go straight across. Oops, I want to draw a line straight across from here all the way across to the end of the cabinet. I don't want to go any farther than that. I'll come down to the countertop and then back and close it. What's the material? Granite or green marble. It's the thickness. This extrusion starts at 0 and ends there, so everything looks good to me. I'm going to say okay. Just put that in. Now, what's this? Let's accept that and see what this is, because it looks like there's something that projects through the marble, and I'm not sure what that is. So let's go to the first floor plan and see if we can figure out what the heck's going on there. Something's coming through there. Don't see anything wrong here. Let's go back to that section, and there's definitely a projection here. All right, so I'm going to go back to the first floor plan. Now I've highlighted it, so it should be highlighted here too. And that's it. So when I click on this wall, it looks like it's coming through to there. Let's see if we can clean that up a little bit. I'm not sure that that did anything. So look at this. You can see the highlight. It's right there. You can see that it's coming through. So let's try cleaning it up over here. Still popping through. Let's come down and isolate that. So we're going to isolate element. And just why is it going through there? So I'm going to say disallow join and say okay, and I'll go back and reset the temporary. And let's go back to that section now. it's not coming through here anymore, which is good, but it is still up here. Now, let's go to the first floor plan, and we'll use the camera. We'll take a picture from this side over to there. Looks pretty good to me.